Hi guys, I thought I'd go over something today that may or may not be of use to you. It is fixed term deposits for expats specifically. As a lot of you are aware that we are in a high inflationary environment in places like the UK, US, Europe. So what that means is that interest rates are going higher. Negative of that is they're doing it to tackle inflation. The positive is that you get better return for just keeping money in the bank, particularly banks in the UK. And the US, they really haven't jumped on the game on this, and you're still getting kind of 2-3% on year return. So this is something that is changed. It's introduced by Odd, and I think it's worth talking about and worth sharing because I do think it is quite useful. And as you can see here, these are the current rates on 1 year accounts. So for the GBP, you can get 5.79% for 1 year, USD 5.68, bit lower in the euro, 3.88%. And for those just looking for a 32-day notice, it's still at 4.35% on the GBP and 4.95%. It's done in collaboration with Lloyds Bank, so therefore it's quite a systemic bank, particularly in the UK, as you can see there on the rating agencies on that term. There is some caveats to note. The minimum is £10,000, dollars, euros. It does have a £50 entry fee, and again, with anything fixed term, it mostly needs to be locked up for that duration. Again, though, with you having kind of 3 months, if it doesn't have to be that long term. How I'd play this is if you do have money in the bank or just sat there doing nothing, it's something to do with it right now. It's just put it into something that's yielding a higher rate. If you may have sold some equities through the recent gains you've got in either tech or European equities that you may have invested in last year, again, not sure where to go. Equities are looking quite high. We may go into a soft landing. Equities may go down. This may be a place for you to look at right now. I do think it's a feasible option for those looking for the more safer environment, and it's somewhere where you can just place your money and forget about it and get kind of near 5% returns on 9 months. So it's pretty good on that return. I do think it is appealing to a lot of people in that respect. So just thought I'd share this with you guys. If you do have any more questions, feel free to email me at the usual email at info@investmentforexpats.com.